What's up, YouTubers? Welcome to Nil Built. Today I'm going to show y'all how to remove a headliner in a 2019 RAM Laramie 2500 for starlights. So this is the truck a guy dropped off to get starlights done, and no, he don't have this step rail, so I got to use a little ladder to get in. I'm going to show y'all how to remove the headliner so you can put starlights in. Okay, first what you want to do, what I usually do, is you pop these off, that and that, and it's 10mm bolts back there, that one there and that one over there. So you take that off, take the 10mm bolts out, you pull it out, comes off. Then you work your way to the sun visors. Okay, and it's 2 bolts here. That would be the 8mm, I believe is what it was. Pull it down. It's got a wire. Disconnect the wire. And on this is a little star bit. I forgot the size of it, but it's a little star bit just for that. Take it out on both sides, and then you remove that. Then this is removed. Then on this, the centerpiece, your little sunglass holder. If you can look in there and see, I don't know if you can, but there is a 8mm bolt there, 8mm bolt there. Take them out, and you got 2 little slide clips. So you push them slide clips in towards the windshield, and it'll pop out. So this will all come out right here. Then you got 2 cables, or 2 plug-ins. You disconnect. Once you get all that out, disconnected, there's another 8mm bolt that's holding the headliner in. So you take it out, and that'll cover the whole front part. No, you do not have to worry about the rearview mirror. It's good where it's at. These pillars right here, get around. These right here, I don't know if you can really see, it's kind of dark. You have 2 bolts in right here. I think that was 10mm. Get a little screwdriver, pop these caps off, go in, take the bolts out, and this piece will pop off, which I don't usually pop it all the way off. I just pop it out a little bit just so I can maneuver the headliner. So that'll cover that and that on both sides. Then let me get out of here. Hello, Molo. Got the customer coming today. They're gonna get his truck, so I try to keep it clean as I can. All right, so now towards the back. So once you got all that out for the front and the sides, you come to the back. You got little hangers right here, it's little star bits. Take them out. That'll come out. Then you have the back pillars. I'll get around both sides. Okay, these little pieces right here, pop them out. It's a little Phillips head screw. Be sure don't lose that screw because it will go all the way down. I had to fetch it out for the passenger side. So once you do that, take this little clip off, take the screws out. These panels will pop out on both sides. So once you do that, your headliner will be ready. Be sure to remove these headrests. And once you do that, you can start taking the trim down, or the weather stripping, sorry. Take all 4 weather stripping down, just about right here is what I do. Just pull it down, all 4 sides. Now you can take the seats out if you want to. On Chevys, I do take the front seats out, but on the Dodges, Rams, Fords, you really don't have to, because the headliners, they do a good job on what the material of the headboard is made out of, and plus the fabric. So you can kind of bend it and it'll pop back out straight. Now it'll have a little crease in it, which is nothing to worry about, because over time it'll massage its way back out and look fine again. But on Chevys you can't, because it'll, once you crease it, that crease ain't coming out. But on these, you can remove the seats. What you do is take this piece off right here. Then you got a bolt there and a bolt right there, as you can see. Take them 2 bolts out. Then you can just move the seat up, and on the back there's a bolt there, and then there's another one right under here, just like that one. Take all 4 of them bolts out on both seats if you want to. The seat will be ready. Although remember to, I don't know if you can see, there's a yellow plug right here that connects to the power to the seats. Be sure to unplug that on both of them, and then, well, before you do that, make sure the seat's folded up and ready to go, like so. Get it all the way up. Once you fold it, then slide it all the way up, then undo the plug. Then the whole seat will be ready to come out. Pull the seat out, be careful, don't scratch nothing. Set them to the side. Now once you do all that, seats are out, everything around the edges are out. You gotta worry about all the lights. Once you pull it down, you're gonna have wires glued to the headliner, all that way, this way, and then that way. That connects to your speakers, your lights, and all your little stuff up front. You can take all that off the headliner, kind of zip tie it up or tie it up to the ceiling itself. Then you can get the headliner, maneuver it around, pull it out where you want to. What I usually do is just pull it out this side, so you can fold it a little bit, it won't hurt it, so you can get it all coming all the way out. And put your starlights in and just go everything in reverse. And this is a 2 kit we did. The owner wanted 2 kits, so we did 2 kits. It's right around 1100 lights total, so at nighttime it should be bright. So, and that's that. Just when you get everything done, put it back in. And well, I hope that helped you out on this 2019 Laramie 2500 on how to remove the headliner. Hope it was helpful to you. So be sure to keep up with the channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll have a bunch more lights to do and odd and end things. So take care.